Hey, Blackberry Puerto Rico. Welcome to iGrip. Herbert Richter. We manufacture phone holders and mounts. Let me show you a little bit of the solution that we have. The concept here is that as you're driving down the road, you can keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. So drive safe and legal. So what you do is you're able to put your phone in a phone-specific device or into one of our universal holders. So the universal holder is nice in the fact that you can put any phone, whether it has a case on it or not. You squeeze the sides, and now you've got a great holding solution. Push the button to release the phone. HR has a 4-pronged system. It's a 2-part component system, so you take the holder, now you've got a mount, and the two go together. Put that together and you snap. This is our traveler mount. Swivels right here, gives you some adjustment. Here you can swivel this, and you can go from portrait to landscape. You can adjust the viewing angle depending upon how you want it. To mount the suction, put the suction on the windshield, you take the lever, push the lever down, and now you've got a holding solution that's going to stay on the window. Again, our solution provides you a great thing to put your phone up, be able to drive down the road, and be safe as you're driving down the road. For more questions and answers, you can go visit your blog and get some more information, and we'll make sure we have the video link up there as well.
Thank you.
Okay, you got it? We good?